evening time right back. Boxcar, evening time right back, and I'm out the way. Break up, break up.
That 414 got a big radio.
Yeah, so does that GI.
They got no window out there. I'm going to let you know you got this checking in school bus driver running the Wednesday night roll call. I'll be down. I'm back now. Keep on that, brother. I appreciate you checking in too, no doubt about it. We're going up here in Ivesville, school bus driver running the Wednesday night roll call. Top of evening, 69. Oh, Lord. Boxcar 138, waiting. I got it there, 138, top of the evening. I'm listening. Yeah, I hit you up in that 1 watt, top of the evening, 1 watt. Come back there now. Boxcar with the engine wave, I'm back quiet. All right, there, Box. While you waving, I'm waving too. Boxcar, please. Hey, 138, sound like a Houdini out there trying to call you. Yeah, I just heard about this earlier. Hello to you, Houdini. Houdini, 138 waving right back. Oh, 138 in the spring, standing by. That 138 in the Springs got a big radio.
203, you got a big radio too.
It sounded like I heard 2 other people speaking on 138. I'm waiting for one right back. 138, I'm back quiet. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Wednesday night roll call, Wednesday night roll call. Hey, sure, say, give us a quick update on the doggone YouTube page that you got going on there. Go ahead.
Channel 23. What is it? CB Channel 23. WATERGATE-DMV. Both Facebook and YouTube. CB Channel 23. WATERGATE-DMV. Breaker, breaker.
I appreciate that, show set. And like I said, she goes through a lot of work to kind of, an effort to put those Facebook pages on there, man. So if you want to hear what your station sound like, she also videotapes the roll call and also the Channel 23 Morning Talk Show from 7 to 8. So if you get a chance, go ahead and click on the page and give her a like and a thumbs up and also leave a comment because it helps with the algorithm, so we're trying to boost the numbers up. So if you get a chance, go on our YouTube page, School Bus Driver running the Wednesday night roll call.
And subscribe to the page. Because if it doesn't do well on here, Facebook is alright. I ain't worried about that. That's been up since 2016. So I'm trying to do the YouTube page for those who do not do social media. I would like for you to subscribe to the page. Like the page, comment, listen. I always got a little storyline that goes with each video. It takes time to put my head together to throw something together. I can't put as much in wording on YouTube as I can on Facebook, but I give you a little bit of something, or else it's going to come down, and that's all I can say. Thank you very much, and have a great night.
And you do a great job.
Thank you very much.
Yes, man, you do a hell of a job on that there, no doubt. Like I said again, this is I try to give support, and when you kind of click on it, it'll tell you how many people viewed it. So she gets a lot of views, but if you don't get a lot of subscribers and also likes and comments, so you can just kind of give her a little support on that side. School Bus Driver running a Wednesday night roll call. Who's out there checking in? Who's out there checking in on the Wednesday night roll call? School Bus Driver standing by.
I hear you. Joker Man 414. Evening time to you, sweetheart. Evening time to you right back. I'm waving my hand, and I'm back reading the mail. Breaker? Hey, that's a 10-4. Enjoy the rest of the night, and I'm reading the mail. I'll see ya.
Hey, Joker Man, you sounding good down in Dunkirk, man. That thing really sounding good on that in there, Roger. Well, you ain't got to worry about me. Hey, Joker Man, I'm the least one that you got to worry about. But it sounds really good, man. A lot cleaner, too, man, no doubt. All right, I'm sitting back here reading the mail, see what's trying to check in. No school bus driver, but where's the neighborhood call? That 414 got a big radio. Yeah, man, you sound real good. You do sound good tonight. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's working good. I heard you down there midnight ride. How long till you midnight ride to school, bro? Yeah, 203 standing by. Go ahead. Yeah, can anybody give me a 5 on that one? I couldn't really pull it out. Big bus, check 211. Oh, 211, I want to see you, my friend. Hey, 211, look at that. I appreciate you checking in. School bus driver running away with the neighborhood call. Hey, 10-4, doing a good job.
8 to 11 evening time, and I'm back quiet.
Hey, girl, I want to good evening time to you.
Right back.